package for tea. This will be the amazing race for us, the amazing cup. Each station you will have a challenge. To win the event at the end is the one that has more pins.
The task that you guys have to do is pretty clear, but if you still need help, let me know.
Mein Event. 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Oh, sorry!
The winner, Mario Brothers.
Mario Brothers, please. Some hands, want some hands. Woo!